AMP does 9-to-5 jobs. I heard about this getting posted. I just wanted to see it because I know everyone's been talking about that 9-to-5 debate thing, which is stupid.
The AMP 9-to-5.
Anybody who works a 9-to-5, bro, y'all are the superheroes of this world.
Hurry the f up.
There you go, keep going.
Wipe this, wipe this, wipe this.
There we go.
I haven't had to actually clean like this in so long.
Oh, hell nah, bro.
Let's quit this shit, bro.
Wait, Phantom, wait.
I am so fired.
I just feel like doing it for a day or two does not give you the full like feeling of having a 9-to-5. Like the point of it is that you do the same thing every single day. So I feel like you got to be in it for like what, like 6 months, a year before, you know, you can actually say like, oh, I know what having a 9-to-5 is like. And some people who don't have a 40-hour job, which 9-to-5 implies that you're full-time.
Today will be a team to 3, white versus black.
Hey, yo.
See, Chris got injured on his job, and while he tries to get his workers' compensation, we brought in Sniper Jones. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for you.
I don't know any of the, I hardly know the AMP people. Like I genuinely don't know any of the people. So I'm kind of like just fresh to it all.
Today, the boys will be tasked with doing 5 entry-level jobs to finally see if streaming is actually harder than working a 9-to-5. The first challenge will be changing the oil at a mechanic shop.
It's a race against the clock. First team to drain and refill the oil wins.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go, Snipe, go, down there, I'm down there.
Where the f is the oil? You want to go downstairs?
Haha, let's go, baby.
Front right, you see me?
Yeah.
I mean, I feel like most people wouldn't be able to do this. Like you just throw a random stranger from like Walmart or somewhere, like the grocery store, and you just tell them, hey, here you go, do an oil change. Most people aren't going to know what to do. This is kind of a big step for the first challenge.
Yeah, front right. I have no clue what the f I'm doing.
Where's the oil though? Head down there with him real quick.
Yo, give me my, yo, give me.
Look, it's gonna be something that holds oil, so just look for something that like feels like it's holding. It might be back there as well.
Am I gonna need this?
Yo, where's the oil? Anybody? Yo, where's the oil?
Right here, wait. Yo, is that the pan right there, bro? Yo, why the f are you over here? This is not your block.
Yo, you start with the wrench.
You're trained to do your 9-to-5. Like you would know what you're doing every day. You wouldn't just get thrown into it to learn all in one moment. Like this is not indicative of what having a 9-to-5 is at all.
With the wrench, it's gonna take a few spins to get it.
Oh, cool.
I'm here, boss man. What y'all need?
Hold on. Almost here. Hey, look. Hey, look.
What the fuck? What is that?
It's oil, bro.
Why did you not say it was gonna fucking net on me?
I did, bro. Shout out to the nigga who do this every day, bro. God damn.
And then like, is it done yet? Hey, bitch. Yeah. It's manual. All right, go. All right. You can put the buzzer on the ground.
I mean, how many guys do you need to do this? I feel like you need like 2 guys max. I mean, 1 guy should be able to do it on his own.
You think it's edible?
Hey, gay. Awesome.
Yeah.
You see the stream slowing down?
Yeah. That means it's about to be done.
Just say, is it edible? That's the problem. Like, they just be not taking stuff seriously, you know? Like, in most of the debate of it all, because it's all just...
Hey, put some on your, like... So
hurry up. Yo!
I'm saying, put some on so you...
This is a Balenci tone outfit.
But so... Just so she'll feel like...
On some light.
Yeah. Just so she'll feel like, damn, my hard-working grown ass man.
Yeah.
I'm changing oil right now. We changing
some
oil.
grown man.
You all right?
Yeah. Just another day at work.
Yeah.
You know how it is.
Yeah.
How the family, man? Family good?
Family's good.
That's great, man.
You should replace the oil filter before adding a new engine oil. Install the drain plug.
Cheating?
No, this is Google Gemini.
Yeah, oh no, are we stuck in an
It's
ad?
not cheating.
I mean, I'm a Virgo, so I don't really know how that works. Hey, Kyle, how's it looking down there, bro?
Nah, go quick.
Okay, it wasn't an ad. No, I feel like that's the way to go. Like you, in your 9-to-5 job, you should be actively Googling things. Like I feel like that comes up all the time. You just, as a person, you should just know to Google things if you don't know the answer to something. Like, what would you just sit there in confusion for the rest of your life? This is weird choice.
Crazy right now. Is it done? No.
It looks like it's nothing else coming out. What the fuck?
Looking at it pour nothing. It's not done though.
Damn, that's powerful as hell, bro.
Yeah, like who the f did this? The dad from Everybody Is Chris?
That shit is nutted on me. Wait, why do they have a bucket and we don't?
Oh, because they caught the oil. We let it drain.
Yo, hurry up, dude.
You go ahead. You good.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, Phantom, wait.
Whoa, what the fuck you mean, wait?
Did you start pouring?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on, Phantom. I need a napkin.
He needs a napkin.
That's cool, we're replacing the filter right now.
Put it back on?
No, not yet. Oh, you all right, Kai? Careful, there's oil coming down. All right, tighten. Yo, Kai.
Yeah. The bolt I put right there on
Put
the yellow
bolt back
thing.
on. You got it?
Yeah.
And tighten it. Let me know when it's fully tight.
Where the f is the wrench? Oh, fuck. Where you put the wrench at?
Bro, most of this is just trying to find the things that they need to do the job. It should be clearly laid out. Here's the oil, change it. Here's the stuff that you need to do it. I mean, this is just a silly challenge. I'm gonna go to the next one. I'm gonna see what they're doing on the next one.
That's how you change it. It's how you change the oil.
Kai, come on, baby.
Dude, it was very obvious the black team was gonna do a way better job than the white team. I mean, they at least knew what they were doing. He knew to pull out Google. I mean, you guys are done for. None of you guys even thought about anything. I mean, it was just like smooth brain thoughts, really, the whole time. I mean, he got the oil all over themselves.
Succeed. Good job, Kai. Good job. You was and then remember I was going because without him.
And then because he caught the oil.
Exactly. And then exactly.
The blacks are all oiled up and win the first challenge. Time to move on to the second mechanic job.
Damn, I don't think we need to do all that.
For the next challenge, we are swapping the windshield wipers.
Buy wiper blades at the store.
That's an imperative Google thing right there. So I'm already money's on the black team for this one.
To the store.
3, 2, 1, go!
You take those off while I.
What? Look, it's here.
No, that is tough. That is not easy.
It looks so easy. Yeah,
You got to know what you're doing.
Which one's longer?
How do I take these off? Break it?
I don't break it.
Just pop it? Unlock it.
Yeah, there you go.
How do I do this?
Keep trying.
Hey, did that already got one off? What the fuck? They both got one off.
Bro, it is complicated though, because you gotta like hook it, but you can't bend it backwards the wrong way. It's tough.
We're good, don't panic.
Yo, I really don't like.
I get that.
All right, yo, Kyle, let me try that side.
Yeah.
What the?
Okay, let me see.
I don't know how to do this. I ain't gonna lie.
No shade. I get that.
Yeah. Oh, it looks good.
Nigga, we have to Google this.
So does this go?
Hold on, we got this. Yeah.
Oh, I got it. So go there and then slide it down.
Oh yeah, go there and then slide.
But he got it stuck through the middle of it.
Oh, I got it.
What are you doing? What do you mean you got it, bro? Look at what does he look like he has it?
I got it. So go there and then slide it down.
Oh yeah, go there and then slide it down.
Wait, is it 2 of these? Off that hook?
This hook here, right?
Bro, he just looks bored. Like he looks like really dejected in this whole video.
Hey, come on, bro. We do this together, man. I ain't gonna lie. When this video come out, we gonna look stupid.
Oh, I got it. Oh, wait. No, I got it.
Hey, he's cheating! I'm just saying, hey, to the guy, bro. I grew up with that nigga, bro.
Cheating over there, gang.
Say what's up to my.
Hey, say gang. When it comes to that side, it's always cheating on that side.
Yeah.
Ain't nothing we can do about that.
Hashtag, we know what they do.
All right, how long did it take y'all to just put the damn thing on? Like, I mean, I know it's difficult and all.
All of a sudden, now he looking. Now all of a sudden, this nigga, hey, bitch, you with me? Did you with me? Come on, you can't accuse us of the same. You can't accuse
There we go. Oh my goodness, bro, I skipped a good bit too.
That was a little complicated, bro.
No, that looks amazing, bro.
Oh, I mean, I think it's pretty clear actually that they're struggling more with this than things that they normally do. So I would say it's harder if you've never done it before. But this is going to be kind of a dumb challenge altogether. I mean, this whole video.
Hey, look. Take everything off. Take everything off.
We're gonna do this together, okay?
Yeah. Slap towels.
Oh, this place is disgusting.
Scrushy, bro. When the last time you actually made a bed?
I don't make beds no more, bro. I don't give a f.
Bro.
Okay, straight.
All right, here you go, game. Pow. Teamwork made the dream work, bro. We got it.
Oh, somebody was in here. Fuck it.
It was me. Where's the new sheets?
Hey, boy.
I mean, if you just turn the 9 to 5 into streaming by being kind of a jackass the whole time, I feel like that's just like them getting the oil on each other. Like, I mean, it's just lame.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right.
Bussin'?
I'm telling you, bro.
Okay.
No, I got 2 hours of washing dishes under my belt, but I don't know shit about like stacking trays. I ain't gonna lie to you. How y'all doing over there, fellas? Y'all good?
Pretty good.
Hey, I'm headed to the back, gang. I'm headed to the back.
Yep.
W man.
See, this is way better. They know what to do. They've picked up dishes before. This is this is good. And they're not struggling at all.
Hey, look at all these fucking plates in my hand, bro. This is what I do. This is what I does, you heard?
I'm gonna bring in mine. You can stay here and keep cooking, Kai.
Lay them down and spray them down, you feel me? Drop those over there. Now it's time to go to work.
It's the first count.
There we go, turn that water on.
You need help over here?
No, we good. We well old machine.
Wow, and you know they've all done this before because they've taken that trip from their little setups area and all the dishes and pile it all up, take it to the kitchen, bust through that shit real quick. This is, you know, they've been trained for this.
Where the fuck is Kai at? Why he ain't come back here yet?
No, he's getting basically all this shit there.
What up? Now help. See, look.
Here. Trash, we can put trash here.
Niggas must have not liked
Are they gonna lose for that 1-4?
Yeah, they hated this food game. Yo, Kai, put them here, bro. Why you keep putting them on the utensils?
All that being said, I think we're doing good on time, bro.
Yo, can you double check real quick if there's nothing out there? All right, what do you need help with?
It's the hard as fuck.
Bro, he's done the least out of everybody. And I mean, he's not even been really like...
Anybody who works a 9 to 5, bro, y'all are the superheroes of this world. Holy fuck. Shut the fuck up, bitch. What did I miss?
Now we a well-oiled machine, bro. Now we money. We money.
This should be the last.
Bro, from bussing tables, he gets hit like that? Come on, man. Like, that's not even... I mean, he was doing a good job at it. He just kind of slowed down. It seemed like he kind of lost motivation to do it. And I guess that's the main issue with the 9 to 5. Like, you just lose motivation over time. And he just speed ran that whole thing. And not even a day, and he's done. Like, that's crazy.
Patch, right?
Literally.
Oh, shit, good. My boy. Almost cooked us.
Oh yeah, you got all the silverware?
Yeah.
Appreciate you, gang.
Yo, man, get the fuck out. Cafe, man.
All right, let's load this up real quick so as soon as that's ready, we can go.
Yup.
Sure. What? Let me go tell my team everything I just saw.
How you feel like we doing, Kai? We good? We good?
Yeah. Good shit. Yeah, good shit.
Everything in the first time through too, you heard? So that's good. That's good.
Is there a way to manually clean these?
Nah, they ain't leave this. But we good though. We good. This is it.
What?
Yeah, there we go.
Satisfying
there we go. Yeah, this is satisfying as hell.
This is what we call quality, man. It's not all about rushing it, man. This is what we call quality, bro.
All right, last one, fellas.
Where's the other one of these bins?
Oh, it's over here. It's over here.
Yeah, let's spray that one.
I feel like if you know how to do this job, like, yeah, you might be out of touch and all, but as long as you know how to do this, I mean, you can at least have respect for the people that do it. I don't know about the white team. They really ain't been.
There, we're gonna bust it down, clean them, wait for them, boom. 3, 2, 1, go!
Dude, I'm almost done. Hurry the fuck up.
Hey, count. Just count.
Look, I'm gonna be in there. Dude, hurry the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up. You doing all that goddamn shit.
You not moving at 150. That's me. I'm done. What have you been doing, boy? It's not going down. I got it.
Hey, look. Take this. I'm finna go get on napkins and
All right, man. Good shit.
Yo! Hey, you know you left all the fucking cups on your tables?
I am so fired.
Cool. Oh, she's in the cut.
Bro, even that, like, he's just displaying management capabilities. Like, come on, man. Like, they got that part down. 9 to 5's not that bad, man. It's the length of doing it. That's the problem. Because theoretically, you work that job your whole life, pretty much. Like, you don't have an out.
See this? You literally left all the cups.
Help me help. Lock in.
Oh, GG's. I ain't gonna lie, I might be clear for that cup.
Looking good.
Yeah, he was not handling that as well as the other guy. Oh, man. That was rough.
Fellas, looking good, fellas.
Looking good, baby.
Record time, baby boy. Woo! Yeah!
Woo.
Clean that shit.
All right.
Let's go! Now this look alright now, hold on.
I said motherfucking table, really say Rubbermaid. Guess what? I'ma sipping on this lemonade. Put this shit to your chrome, put this shit to your dome.
See, nah, that shit, that, bro, and you.
Yeah. Oof. I think that's a good place to end it. That was a... Next video.